How to register for my account with Canada Revenue Agency, which is CRA. So if you want to register for my account with CRA, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for canada.ca my account register. Once you've searched here, you will have CRA sign-in services, which is register. Click on the first search and it will take you to this kind of interface where you can simply click on my account. And once you're here, you need to have all of these informations or all of these details before creating your account. You will have 2 or 3 options to create your account on my account or to sign in. So first option is using one of your sign-in partners. So sign in or register with the same sign-in information you use for other online services, for example, online banking. So you can click on sign in partner, and once you click on sign in partner, you can simply choose the bank you are with and you'll be able to register that way. So you can click on whatever bank you have, and from here you'll just need to log into your account like you normally would. Or you can also choose the second option, which is CRA register, by using your CRA user ID and your password. And if you already have an account, then we can click on the sign in button and then you can sign into your account. But I'm assuming most of you need to register, so we're going to click CRA register, which is on the right side. And from here, the service is not available at this time, but if you have so you'll need to have your social insurance number and then your postal code or your zip code and your date of birth and your tax information and all of that. From there you can click next and it may ask you a few more questions and you just want to answer them and follow the instructions on screen and the registration will be completed. But you can also use the third option, and the third way is by using a provincial partner. So if you click on provincial partner sign in, we can sign in with your alberta.ca account or your BC services card. And if you wanted to do it that way, you can click provincial partner sign in, and from there you can choose which option you would like to choose. And once you've chosen one of those ways and signed in, you will have successfully registered for my account with the Canada Revenue Agency. So that's how you can register for my account with the RA. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.